My name's Steve Carmack. I live here in Smithville, and we had some tornado damage to our home back in 2017. And after a insurance job on the exterior, some interior damage was left unnoticed for a period of time. We contacted 221 Construction, and part of the crew that came out was responsible for the painting, did the exterior and also all of the interior, and the job turned out just absolutely fantastic. The 221 Construction team couldn't have been a nicer group of guys, kept in constant contact with us, felt completely secure and safe with all of their work. We would highly recommend that you get to know these guys, use them for any work. We were completely satisfied.